Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Remember, there is no school on Friday for Good Friday. The month is April. What is the month? April. Today is April the 9th, 2020. Now let's say it all together. Today is Thursday, April the 9th, 2020. The weather is partly sunny. The temperature is 80 degrees. It is going to be warm. Remember to do your exercises every day and stay active.
Run or play outside.
What is one exciting thing you are looking forward for summer? I'm excited for the break. I'm excited to get my stepkids, play around, play basketball, run, work out, play with my dog. I'm excited to be at home and relax. What are you excited about?
We will be working on IEP goals today. So you'll be working on your assignment, but then we'll also be doing IEP. Make sure you take a picture of your IEP goals. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'll be available from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. today. Thank you and have a good day.